Alright, it's time for another video. It's been a long time since I've uploaded once again, and this video is going to be some auction hauls and some new stuff that I have. I don't really build trucks too much anymore. I still enjoy the hobby, but I don't know, I've just kind of been out of it recently. So I have collected a few tractors though over the past I don't know, month or so. So let's start. This John Deere, got it at auction, 9400. This tractor is in good shape. I got it for really cheap as well, and I don't know, just got triples. Very cool. Might do something with it, maybe not. Next is 2+2. This is just a wheel swap. I'm a big International fan, so you gotta have a 2+2 with a wheel swap. Doesn't get much more simple than that. Versatile 950. I've had this. The C&D models. These tractors are cool. I did buy it loose, so I did not take it out of the package, but yeah, Versatile 950. And then the Quadtrac 600 that came in the big set. I do have the rest of the set downstairs. I like displaying that set. It looks very cool. There's a custom International. I think this is like a 5088 or something. 3-point. There's a little cat sticker right there. Little cat sticker. It's supposed to look beat up. These front wheels don't move because they're too small. But this is cool. Cool one to have sitting on the shelf. Alright, now we're gonna get into some of the auction stuff, like the main bit of auction stuff, I guess. Here's the first one. It's a little steam engine. I don't really know what these are worth, but it's got a steering axle. It's kind of cool. It came in a lot, so I mean, I don't know. It's cool. Next, got another little steam tractor. Same deal. I mean, it's cool. Came in the lot. Don't know anything about it, but it's cool. And a little spec cast case. This one's cool. I need to clean it up because it's a little dirty, but this is a cool little tractor. Very detailed. Spec cast stuff is awesome. Very, very detailed little tractor. Alright. Now we got the 380 Road-Trac Magnum. This is a farm show, 2019 farm show. I got this for $20, I think. I don't even really like the newer International tractors, but I mean, it was a good deal, so couldn't really pass it up. I had the box and everything for it as well. Next is another spec cast. This is a Moline. This one's just missing the air filter and the exhaust, but everything else is there. 3-point works. It's in good shape. And I'll probably put an exhaust and a handmade air filter on there. That'll look cool. Now we got 1206. I think this is spec cast as well. 1206, broken steering wheel, missing the exhaust and the air filter. But other than that, another pretty good shape tractor. Alright, let's get into some of these. I have 16 of this sort of body style tractor that I got. Yeah, these are like the old school Ertl. I didn't pay much for these a piece, and the guy had a bunch of them, so I just bought them all because I really like International. That's my favorite style. Let's get a few more. They're all in various conditions. I mean, a lot of them aren't really like horrible. This one was not one of the ones that came with all those, but this is a separate one. I have 2 of these that I got. But yeah, all really the same kind of deal. These old school cases. Sorry, Internationals, Jesus. some more. Those on the bag. Another one. Another one. Another one. Got a few more. Another one. One of these little, I think these are like pullback tractors or something. This one doesn't seem to work too great. Yeah, this one doesn't really work that good. Came as part of a lot on auction. Kind of cool. I think these are old Ertl, like 80s or something, early 90s. I don't know. It's cool. It came in the lot. Can't complain. Next up, we got more. We got more. And more. And more. Like I said, I'm a big International fan, and that's my favorite body style. So I had to get them. There's another one. This one is like the worst shape. All the other ones are pretty decent though. Couple paint chips. Let's see. Farmall M. I believe this is like one of those orchard tractors or something. I don't know. Not really a fan of the smaller tractors, but that's cool. Oh, I lied. We got one more. Look at that. We have another one of these. What is that? 806. And this one, I believe, is a 706. Yep. So we have the 806 and the 706. Neat little tractors. Again, big International fan, so I have it. Get a couple implements here. Oops. International baler. Some of these still have to be cleaned up. I haven't even like gone through any of them, so this one's like got a bunch of crap all over it. It's cool. Got this case mower. This also needs to be cleaned up. And I have this little case planner. This is very cool. I really do like this. It'll look very good on the shelf behind one of my Internationals. Just like so. That's cool. I gotta fix the decal, but other than that, it's a nice little piece. Got a couple wagons. This one, which is older, and then one that's a little newer. Next, got a few more implements. Getting into some John Deere stuff here as well. Not a big fan of John Deere in the toy world, I guess. I like John Deere, but I don't like collecting it because there's just so much of it. There's that. It's in good shape. Very good shape. Alright, let's get to some John Deere. First up, 4450 with duals. Again, still got to clean all these tractors up. Get them ready to sit on the shelf or display or whatever. There's a little 820. Next, we got a little 1010. I did not even know that this tractor was made in 1/64 scale until I got it. Pretty cool. This thing is tiny. I mean, super tiny. Next, we got a 2010. This one's also pretty small tractor. More little tractors. Got an 80. This one's cool. Little tractor. I got some little John Deere implements to go with these. 720. It's a nice one. I think this is the tractor that comes in that El Camino John Deere stuff. I don't know though. Or El Camino or whatever that was. This is an older Ertl. Probably do a restoration on this actually. Repaint it. Throw some details on it. I think it'll look good. Maybe. Or I'll just leave it the way it is. Next, 7215R. No front tires. Just dirty. Got tires for it. Probably won't throw them on because I'm not a fan of the newer John Deere. Got another old one. I'm not sure who makes this actually. Probably the Ertl, the old, really old Ertl tractors. I don't know if this came with an interior originally, but it's not in there. This is a cool one for sure though, because it's super old. Next, what is this? Not sure what model. Another older Ertl John Deere. This one's in good shape though. Pretty neat little tractor. I had a couple of these when I was younger and they all got trashed, so I wanted to have another one that was in good condition. Got some more small tractors. Let's get that off of there. 730. Really like the fenders on this tractor. They look good. They're like triangular like that. I think that looks really good. Might do a custom like stock puller class or something with one of these little tractors. That'd be cool. And we have another 720. And we got two more. We have a 70. All gross and dirty. Oh yeah, 70. And then we got the classic, everybody's favorite, John Deere 4020 diesel. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. The best tractor in existence ever. Holy moly. Yeah, 4020 diesel, whatever, came in the lot, so gotta keep it. Also, here, let me move these. Also, Massey Harris 55. This is cool. I got this for $22 at auction. I think that was a good deal. I think they're worth like 10, 15 more than that, maybe. So, not bad. I also, this tractor, auction as well. It's in good shape. But 90% of the tractors that I've shown today all came from auction. I still have a couple boxes coming in. I have a DCP with a custom tractor coming in. Some other stuff, but yeah, that's mainly everything I got. I don't remember how much I spent, but I did not spend too much. I spent definitely a good amount, but I got my money's worth. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.